Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my new episode. Today is Sunday. I've come here early in the morning now. Today I have come to see how people cultivate cabbages, corn, tomato, potatoes. I'm just serious and curious to see how people cultivate and how far they do this cultivation, how far from home. And actually my visit today is to see these beautiful green cabbages growing very healthy, and I wonder how these people cultivate this thing from very far. They go, they plant this, they come over here, and then it's not so easy. It's not very close from home. It is not very near from home. After hard work, cleaning up, weeding, the cabbages are ready to sell in the market. And now my point of view is, when we go and buy vegetables, we said that, oh, cabbages is 40 rupees or 50 rupees. You say, why it is so expensive? We try to bargain. But my intention coming here is to see how people really work very hard to grow these cabbages. And of course, indeed, it's not very easy for the local people to grow this thing. It's a very hard work. On top of that, some are rotten, some die because of, I don't know. But then still, this is still growing healthy. And the other side of the field, if you see these rotten cabbages. I don't know why, how do they die? This is a cabbage. See, is किसके लिए नुकसान है? The farmer is actually, they have worked very hard, but end of the day, before the cultivation, everything is rotten. So it's a big loss. But still, see, what our intention is when you go to buy something, vegetables, beans, tomatoes, cabbages, cauliflower, we always say, oh, this is so expensive, you're selling so costly. No, it's worth paying 50, 60, 100, 120. It's very far from home. We have come here trekking somewhere around 7 to 8 kilometers. Imagine carrying from cabbages till home, bringing back in the, taking to the main market, selling in wholesale rate. Hardly they earn anything. It's a very hard work. Growing very healthy. Magalia cabbages. Here we go. Chalo. Here, so healthy. Stay healthy. Come to the market. Of course, growing very healthy. Greenery is good. But end of the day, you have to go in someone's karai, fried in an oil, but then stay blessed. Chalo. This is tender cauliflower which they have planted. Actually, this is actually transplanted. They plant it somewhere, throw the seeds. When it grow a little, tall, then they root it out and they transplant again. These are tomatoes, but then they're still tender. So this also, after 3 months or 2.5 months, ये फूल निकलने वाला है. That means another 1 or 2 months will be ready for cultivation. But not easy for taking care of the tomatoes because many insects destroy this. So hopefully they don't use pesticide out here. Most of the tomatoes are being sprayed with pesticide. I have come across even in Meghalaya here, but I don't know about this particular place. Anyway, it's growing healthy, so not an issue. Growing very healthy. I remember when we were young, we used to plant the same thing. In Khasi, we call it Pangaro. or I don't know in English, in Hindi, I don't know English. This is sweet potato, lots. So this also will be cultivated after another 3 months. By September, October, you have to root it out, wash it, and this will be available in the market. Growing very healthy, but as you notice, some of the portion are literally eaten up by rodents or rats or squirrel. That also has been destroyed. You can see a big one, very big one over here. So it's ready to, but then see, what I meant to say is, after hard work, see this, how do the corn is being destroyed, eaten up by rats or maybe by squirrel, I don't know. So it's a big loss for the farmer. Plantation of pumpkins. These are pumpkin leaves. Still go. This is still corn. So all this thing I showed you today will be available very soon in Shillong market. Then we go and buy from the market. Kindly don't bargain this. The local people see after hard work it's been destroyed. So here also you can see it's totally eaten up. So let's not bargain when we buy. They have worked very hard. So चलो आगे जाता है. This is the hut, farmer's hut. After cultivation, here they can store something. There's one tomato out here. I can place this here maybe. So there's the hut. 1-2 दिन के लिए जो cultivated मकई हो, बंदा गोभी, फूल गोभी थोड़ा टाइम के लिए स्टोर कर सकता है इसमें. चलो ऊपर जाते. हेल्दी कैबेजेस. See this, growing very healthy. So this become they don't use any other things. It's growing itself by, you know, because the soil is very fertile. So it is a non-organic or organic. So the other side also they planted still. You can see this entire mountain is full of cultivation. So as I go up, cabbages. So here you'll see a different type of vegetable. In Khasi we call this so'ngang, if I don't make mistake. One is ripen. I don't know, in my own words we call sapsaku, I don't know. I can't remember. This is a bitter, sort of bitter brinjal. Very healthy. So it's planted this way, and this is the yam. It is a waste of bakri or bakra, kadaga 8 blang, which is I think used for manure, and that's the reason why the the corn, cabbages, tomatoes are growing very healthy. So this is the process of adding the manure. हम लोग हल्दी खाता है ना, ये हल्दी का प्लांट है. In Khasi we call sinrai. Kana kada sintiu jong sinrai. Small bee. So after this thing, then you have to pull it out. When the leaf is dry or rotten, by November, December, you can pull out, and the turmeric underneath will be ready. हल्दी हम लोग वेजिटेबल में हमेशा यूज़ करता है. प्लांट कैसा है आप लोग भी देख लीजिए, ऐसा लगता है. और द लीव्स एकदम हल्दी का स्मेल है. Out here I've come to one place where you can see many tomatoes. एक बार देख ले टोमेटोज कैसा कल्टीवेट करता है. फिर भी ये सारे टोमेटो को कीड़ा ने खा की और देखो कितना गिरा कि कितना नुकसान हुआ। ये सब गिर गया, ये सड़ गया। देखो इट्स ऑल रोटन, इट्स अ बिग लॉस फॉर द फार्मर। इधर भी गिरा हुआ है सारे। सो अदरवाइज ये रहा आपका टोमेटो। टोमेटो हम लोग खरीद रहा है बाजार में। देखो कैसा लगाता है, ऐसा लगाता है। देखिए, see you can see lots of tomatoes here. You cannot pull it so hard, it will fall down, and many has been falling down. See, big loss for the farmer. दुनिया भर के गिर गया, गिर गया, गिर गया। ये रहा टोमेटो। सो दोस्तों, टोटली नया एक्सपीरियंस है। काफ़ी दूर आ गया था मैं, 5 किलोमीटर से ज़्यादा दूर आ गया था। बाइक रखा है एकदम ऊपर में है, फिर भी मेरा प्लान इधर आया ताकि देखेगा कल्टीवेशन कैसा होता है, विलेज लाइफ, हाउ हार्ड वर्किंग दे आर। सो ये कॉर्न है, रोहदे, मिनखासी, मकई, and lots and lots. So I'm right in the middle of the cornfield. So you can see this is again eaten up by animals, rodents, or maybe by rats, and some are growing very healthy. So, but most of them are being destroyed by, see, eaten up, all of them are eaten up. So here also eaten up, this also destroyed. What I'm going to tell you is they're growing very healthy. This is okay, good enough, strong. This is eaten up. See, after all hard work, जितना प्लान, छोटा से प्लान करके बड़ा कराया, क्या निकल गया कौन, उसके बाद में कोई खाने वाला जो भी है एनिमल्स रेडी है। एनीवेज जो बच्चा वाला जो भी अच्छा है, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर ग्रोइंग ओके। ये वाला दिस ऑल्सो विल कम टू शिलोंग मार्केट, एंड एक्चुअली ये मार्केट में हम लोग खरीदता है 15 रुपये एक में। I think it worth. I have come down here somewhere around 7 to 8 kilometers far from the village, not from the city. But then, so 15 rupiah. Don't bargain for 10 rupees. It's worth paying 15 to 20 rupees. And there are two types of yam. One is this with light green. I can understand. This is always soft, and of course if you slice into pieces, kacha, squeeze out the water, then you can make salad also. Most of them are not the same. You can see from the leaf, it's light green, eatable, kacha eatable here. So this thing, and so far I have come across, oh chale gaya. So this is the another hut. This is really properly locked so that nobody goes inside. Nothing is there. So there's some utensil. बंदा गोभी सीजन नहीं है, फिर भी थोड़ा बाकी है। ये बड़ा हो जाएगा 1 महीना के बाद में, and this will come to the city. Not only that, some wholesale dealer, they will bargain this for 7 rupees, 8 rupees. They will wait there in locksmith with the vehicle, and they screw up the farmer. They get it at a very low price, and then when they bring it to the market here, maybe transport it to Assam or nearby states, क्या करता है कि they sell at very high price also. That is not fair. Why? The reason I am telling you, it's not easy. Most of them are rotten, died. After so much of hard work, ये सारे अब सड़ गया। देखिए किसका नुकसान है, आप देखो। Very painful to see this. So village life is not easy. And oh, so huge, big one. But then this also is eaten up, see, by insects or by worm. ये नुकसान है, फार्मर लोग के लिए बहुत नुकसान है। Here's another thing. This is yam. कच्चू बोलता है क्या हिंदी में? खसी में सीयू. In my language we call it bee. Manipuri we call it pan. This when the leaves are dry, of course the stem can be cooked. When the leaves are dry, then the yam will shoot up. Then you have to dig it out, dry it. Then you can keep for many months. Off season when friends, I have just come here to see the life of village people. How do they cultivate, how much they work very hard. So आज के लिए this is something very new. We can see how village people work to give us fresh vegetable in the market. Friends, I'll end up my blogging here. I will look for my way to the main road, and thanks for watching. Thank you so much. See you later. If you like it, please comment. If you don't like it, also please drop a comment so that I can learn. Give me some inputs. I need to learn. Thank you so much. Thank you all for watching. See you. Bye bye. Please subscribe and thank you. Bye bye.